FoodMaven is for profit, but absolutely for positive social impact as well. And so one of our key metrics is that 20% of the lost food that we bring in, that we donate in support of hunger relief. We're building an agile food supply chain and really transforming the food system. And that means being able to handle all kinds of different data and products and everything coming in.
QuickBooks was appropriate for where we were as a startup, but we quickly grew. We acquired a couple of businesses. We had to do integrations that QuickBooks couldn't support. We needed Acumatica to do that.
Having one system unifying all of these different distribution centers is very important. We've already done our first transfer from Colorado to Dallas because we're doing it in Acumatica. It was as simple as like flipping a switch and being like, that product was there, it's here now.
The ability to tie a sales order to an invoice, to a credit memo, to a payment, we can kind of all talk the same language per se. You know, other systems I've been in, there was no direct tie-in between a sales order and say an invoice. So it's made that communication a lot better.
Obviously, accurate, timely financial information is what all of our stakeholders are looking for. Number one, for us to be able to make business decisions internally, but then also on the external side of things too. Are we actually performing to how we planned for the year? How are we looking compared to our budget? And so being able to have that real-time information and close the books quickly is really important.
So ultimately, this isn't just a food waste problem, it's a data problem. Being able to trust the data and then have access to the data is absolutely key.
Having an accurate inventory means that we are getting the right product out to our customers. Our old system did not have a way to track lot numbers, so that lack of traceability was a big deal. Acumatica is able to capture that, and it's made a world of difference.
The cloud space solution is amazing. Not having to be tied to an office, especially in a time where we're dealing with a pandemic, is great to be able to have our non-essential employees working from home effectively, still able to access all the information that they need and be productive in their jobs.
We normally just sell to businesses. We're a B2B business, but we pivoted to B2C during this pandemic. And Acumatica let us do that, really easily. We could be very flexible and not have to worry so much about the implementation details of it and just get our business in front of our consumers.
As FoodMaven grows and as the mission to use all foods with good purpose, Acumatica is going to help us be that one system that unifies us as we grow from one distribution center to the next.